In this video, I will show you how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. In order to do that, let's head over right here to our account home and then you can click on this add a domain. Now from in there, you can just add in here an existing domain that you have and then you can use in here a quick scan for the DNS records. It will make things so much easier. Just click on continue and then once you have done that, this will do a quick scan and then this will load for a little while in order to see if it's available for setup. So for this one, you can choose in here a plan that you want to use for this. I'll just choose in here this free plan and click on continue. And then after I've done that, this will load in a few seconds and it just needs to be set up. So we have in here the DNS records. What we can do is we can just input right here this DNS records into our domain provider. In this case, is Shopify. And then I just need to click on this continue to activation if it's already been verified to that.